Welcome to Mr. Heaton's Math Lab. In this video, we're going to learn about subtracting two-digit numbers. So before we actually go with the two digits, we need to start with one-digit numbers. So we're going to learn how to subtract with one digits first. So looking at this example here on the left, we have a 7 minus 3. So we could do a couple ways to figure out how to do this. We could do fingers. We can subtract by using fingers, but I can't show you my fingers. So what we're going to do is we can actually take a look and do what we call sticks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We always start with the first number. And so we subtract 3. So we could take off 1, 2, 3. What do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now I would recommend that you take a look at getting flashcards or figuring out a way to memorize single-digit numbers. It will help you immensely in going to two-digit numbers, three-digit numbers, and so on. And make it really, really easy for yourself. But at any time, feel free to use your fingers, feel free to use sticks, or work on memorizing these numbers. So let's move on to this another one. So we have 8 minus 4. So we could do the sticks because that's the only way I can show you right now. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we remove 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm left with this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay, now what happens if we got 7 minus 7? Any number minus itself. Well, if we do sticks, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got nothing. That means 0. Our answer is 0. Anytime a number minus itself will always be 0. So if we have 3 minus 3, guess what? That's 0. If we have 9 minus 9, guess what? That's always going to be 0. Okay, so now let's take a look at when we subtract a two-digit number by a single-digit number. Well, for us to do this, what we could do is make it simple. We can put this line right here in the middle. So we are looking at separating out the numbers on the right and the digit on the left. So when we do that, we're making it easy where we just subtract this number by this number. 6 minus 2. Well, we could do fingers, we could do sticks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract 2, 1, 2. Take that off, so we're left over with 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Again, 6 minus 2 is 4. So we effectively just go down each column and we start with the right side and then we move over to the next side. So we subtracted 6 minus 2. Now let's subtract 3 minus blank. Well, there is always a 0 out in front and it's just not shown, but it is implied. You know, it means that it is there. Well, 3 minus 0 is effectively just 3. So the answer for 36 minus 2 is 34. Okay, let's take a look at this middle one. So we have 15 minus 3. We can put a line down the middle here. So now we're just looking at 5 minus 3. So if we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We minus 3, that's 1, 2, 3. We're left with these, which is 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now, again, we're going to take a look now at the left column, right? We already looked at the right digits. We look at the left digits. 1 minus nothing, or 1 minus 0, is effectively 1. So 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay, now let's take a look at this number. We got 76 minus 6. We put a line down the middle here. 6 minus 6, right? We talked about this before. If we have a number that is subtracted by itself, is nothing. It's 0, right? Because we have 6 dots. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've removed everything, so that is effectively 0. Okay, 0, and now we have a 7 by itself. Since there's just a 0 right here, 7 minus 0 is 70. So 76 minus 6 is 70. Okay, now let's try looking at subtracting two-digit numbers. Okay, so again, we put a line down the middle and we subtract each number. So we have here on the right these two digits. 4 minus 4, well, we know that that is 0. So now we have a 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take off that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. So the answer is 40. Now let's do the same with this one. We put a line down the middle. We separate out the right digits versus the left digits. We start on the right side. 7 minus 3. If we take the lines, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Subtract 1, 2, 3. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, well now, what happens? How do we subtract 7 minus 1? Well, you know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take off 1. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 77 minus 13 is 64. Okay, let's try this one. Again, we put a line down the middle. So we are going to subtract the values on the right side. 9 minus 8. If you guys do it in your head, it should turn out to be 1. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've removed all of these. All that's left is 1. Okay, so we just subtracted. 9 minus 8, right, is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. We got a 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Take 1 out, we're left with 1. 29 minus 18 is equal to 11. And what we're going to do is take that 1 and we're going to move it over here. So if we take 1 out of here, that leaves us with 5. Leaves us with a 1 here. And that 1 goes in front of the 3. So this is actually going to be 13. So we have 13. Move that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 13 minus 8. Well, if we take 13 minus 8, we're going to have 13 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have this many sticks left, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This equals 5. Well, now, see, we took the 6 out. We can cross this out, and what's left is a 5. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So 63 minus 8 equals 55. Okay, let's try it again with this number here in the middle. So we put a line down the middle. We got a 2 minus a 3. Well, we can't do that. So we're going to have to borrow 1 out of here. So we're going to cross this out. We go a value lower, so 2 to 1. And then we put a 1 here in the front. So we have 12. Okay, 12 minus 3. Let's do the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're left over with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now we've erased this 2 and we put a 1 in its place, so we're going to bring down that 1. So 22 minus 3 is 19. Okay, let's try it again over here. So we're going to put a line down the middle. 5 minus 6 can't happen, right? Because 5 is smaller than 6. So we're going to borrow a 1 from 6. So we're going to take a 1 out. So we're going to say 1 goes over here. So we cross this out. Bring this value down by 1. It went from 6 to 5. And now take that 1 and put it here. So we have 15. 15 minus 6, let's do our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're left over with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 here. The 6 was canceled out, so we take the 5, we bring it down. 65 minus 6 is equal to 59. Okay, let's go back to having two two-digit numbers. We'll start with this example here on the left. We have a 6 and a 5, but because 5 is smaller than 6, we can't do that. So we're going to have to borrow 1. So we bring 7 down to 6. We take a 1 out, and we put the 1 here. 15 minus 6, if we do the sticks again, should come out to 9. Now we have 6 minus 2, right? 6 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2, 1, 2. 4. So 75 minus 26 is 49. Let's go on to this one. We put a line down the middle. We notice that 7 is smaller than 9, so we're going to have to borrow a 1. So we go from 2, bring it down 1 values, which is 1. We put a 1 right here, so we're at 17 minus 9. 17, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Minus 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. We have a 1 minus 1, 1. We take it away, 0. So we're at 0. The answer is 8. Okay, let's try this last example. Put a line down the middle. Okay, we can't subtract 1 minus 7. So we got to borrow 1 from here. So we go from 8 down to 7. We take the 1, we carry it across. So we got 11 minus 7. 11 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 11 minus 7 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. The answer is 4. Okay, now let's take a look at some special cases. So for the example on the left, we have 60 minus 10. So if we put our line between, we're going to go 0 minus 0. Well, 0 minus 0 will always be 0. And 6 minus 1 will be 5. So the answer is 50. Now if we take this right here, we put a line between it, we have 0 on top and 9 at the bottom. Well, we're going to do the same process. We're going to borrow a 1 from 8, so we're going to cross that out, go down 1, which is 7, and we bring the 1 over to the other side, so now we're at 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 7 minus 2 is going to be 5. Okay, last one. Well, we have 49 minus 49. Anytime you have the same number, subtracted by itself will always be 0. If you don't believe me, let's try doing the math on this. 9 minus 9 is 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We get 0. 4 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0. So any number subtracted by itself will always be 0. If you're looking to take your math skills to the next level, check out Mr. Heaton's Math Lab. We offer a range of resources to help you succeed, from free workbooks and Common Core assessments to focused mini courses and comprehensive curriculum courses. Head over to www.mrheatonsmathlab.com to get started today.